Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in searches. And here we go. Okay, so back on to the front end. Let's have a check this before we go any further. Tab for edit mode and Alt Z or this button here for X-ray. So I just want to correct these lines here. This edge here should be following, well, should kind of be following that, but because the blueprints, it's not always going to, I suppose. But what we could do is just drag a box around them, go to 7, deselect that and select it again, back to 3 for side view, and then if we just do a scale and Z and bring that up to there. Same with these, drag them, use a scale here if you wish, scale and Z, it's all what to get a hold of, shift to slow it down, right, I think that looks a little nicer there. Oh, let's do the front also. If we highlight them ones there, right, we'll do a GG. Not found slide on here just yet. Can you believe it? Do E and F on that? No, it's done an extrude, that's no good, is it? Just Control Z that. Vertex slide, is that the one? Yeah, fair enough. That one. Slide up there, and then down there. That was pure luck. Right, I'm not sure if there's an actual bump there, so let's have a quick look at the blueprints. Ugh, the car. Oh, there is. That's okay. Although these ones should be up there also, shouldn't they? There we go. What does that look like? Tell you what, let's put a subdivision of 2 on there. Right, so let's extend this down. This will be the guide for the front end. So this will not have any holes current to it just yet. So tab, Alt Z, or that for X-ray, highlight these. We'll do an extrude with that extrude there might help. So select anywhere in that circle and pull in that direction. Back to move. Right, we want these. Deselect and select that one again. We'll do a scale on X there. Shift to slow it down. Then on the Y. Oops. Just line that up, go to 3, we'll no doubt need to scale down on the Z also. Back into move, just line these up with the panel line. Cool. Let's move that up there, GG. It looks really far down, the gap, it seemed too far there. Actually we'll do that one also, GG. Let's bring it up to the bottom of that. There we go. Right, so Now do a Alt and left click. If you extrude these down to about the origin point of the wheel there. So let's use this confusing. There we go. Just using that one there to line up. And to move. And then if we do it, oh, here's an idea. Let's try that. Scale on the Y. Ooh, missed it. Now normally I would just scale that. Let's do it this way. Do a S for scale. Then we want the directional one to scale it, so press Z. See how the blue lines appeared there? And press 0 so it sets them all at 0 around that origin point, or the one that's highlighted. And then enter. Deselect them, just do a scale Y. Shift to slow it down and pull it in just a little bit. There we go. Highlight all them again. Extrude. Just try to bring it straight down with that vert there. And then we shall highlight the middle one again. We'll do a scale again, S, and the direction, which is Y. And then put your finger on shift and move to the right slightly. And there we go, that's brought that in line with that down there. Unfortunately that didn't go quite as far as I was expecting, so we'll just slide that along. Right, now, if we do an Alt Z, this is the guide. What we can do is go to tab, Alt Z or X-ray at the top here, and we just need to use the knife tool, which is that one, and follow the wheel arch around. So if you click on there and there, follow it around, once you get to the last one there, just press enter to commit the change and to move. Right, now we need to add a couple of edges to get rid of this here, so add that there and add that there. That's really confusing when that happens, but there we go. Right, so add them to G for J to join. Alt Z on that one. What we need to do is slide it along GG, and we better joining it to that one. So you do a right click and connect the vertex. Didn't sound confusing at all. GG, slide that up. And then let's have a look at these. Actually highlight that there. Oh, tell you what, get rid of these first. Highlight them in the middle. Them two there, them two there. X to delete verts. And there's our wheel arch. I'm not very happy with that bit there, but we shall change that if need be. GG, we'll slide that over a little bit. Alright, Alt Z, out of X-ray. Let's have a look at what that looks like. Have a look in viewport shading, click on matte cap and just select the blind and red one there. Just No anomalies that I can see. Maybe a slight one there, but very slight at that. And with that, let's go back into Studio. And we'll do a Control S to save. And that's pretty much it for this one. So I'll catch you in the next one.